stylish. ये भी stylish है वैसे नहीं? US ambulance. You see? Dory? Dory is blue बेटा.
हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू शर्मा फैमिली यूएसए व्लॉग। अगर आप लोगों ने हमारा लास्ट व्लॉग देखा होगा तो देयर आई मेंशन अबाउट द म्यूजियम्स ऑफ वाशिंगटन डीसी। तो अभी हम लोग यहाँ पर आए हैं, ये है नेशनल म्यूजियम ऑफ अमेरिकन हिस्ट्री एंड इन दिस व्लॉग वी आर गोइंग टू शो यू द म्यूजियम्स यू कैन गो विद किड्स, द फेमस म्यूजियम ऑफ वाशिंगटन डीसी।
We are going in American History Museum now.
And this is all the information of all the museums are here. So there are like so many museums if you can see.
Going American History, then we'll go Natural History Museum, then we'll go to the where is that go? Yeah, Air and Space Museum.
So here Avish is playing with Ducky. Hello little duck, quack quack quack. This is the converted, this is 1969 Ford and Avish love cars, so here he is enjoying it. And this is a very old ship model early 1900. यहाँ पर 3 फ्लोर्स है। सबसे पहले हम लोग आ गए हैं 3rd फ्लोर पर। 3rd फ्लोर से स्टार्ट करते हैं, देन वी विल गो ऑल द वे 2nd एंड डाउन। आर्ट इंडस्ट्री, लुक एट दैट Avish.
Oh, dollars and of this machine.
The old machine.
Cash register. This is the cash register 1894. This one. The amount of your purchase.
And this is the printing press and Avish love to learn about history. So Avish के लिए हम लोग ये museums explore कर रहे हैं। The first ladies.
We know Michelle Obama.
Yeah. She's Michelle Obama.
Michelle Obama.
First president of America, George Washington.
The telescope purchased by George Washington for his personal use during the war.
George Washington personal portable writing case with compartments of paper, pens, ink,
Sealing
wax.
Revolutionary
Wow.
War.
Nice. This is the chair. Silver plated candlesticks and bread baskets used by Washington in the presidential mansion.
अभी उसमें है न्यूयॉर्क में 2 years after the mention. So in 1789 April 30th Washington stood in the balcony of Federal Hall. ये न्यूयॉर्क में
न्यूयॉर्क
है
सिटी में ना,
जहाँ पे उसने ओथ लिया था प्रेसिडेंसी का फर्स्ट टाइम.
हम लोग देखेंगे
Yeah, this is
कमिंग
New York.
ब्लॉग्स यू विल सी.
क्योंकि earlier New York was the capital, then they shifted it to Washington.
So this is the picture and we will show you the real Federal Hall
Yeah.
in our coming vlog.
Yeah.
See Avish, you always asked about all these things, so you can see, you can read here.
So first president started from here, all the way to here.
And Avish loved to learn about history. Always he asked a lot of questions and he watched a lot of YouTube videos.
So it has the like president, who was the president, first president in the order, and then the duration.
Yeah. So this is the
1800, 1850, 1875,
how many presidents US.
1900, 1925.
And the big question is going to be next.
Yeah, it's 2000. And Biden is the current president. Before that, Donald Trump. Before that, Barack Obama. And George Bush, Clinton, and then George Bush.
This is the carriage.
Yeah, it was used in the White House earlier.
Yeah, earlier. So seal of the President of the United States. can see Avish there.
Right here. Look here, Avish.
I'll take some picture. Avish, look here. Our toothless president. Dolby Hall of American Culture.
Wow, are they bigger or smaller than you remember?
Washington from return of the JD 1983. This is the TV from 1950 to 1970. This one.
Just like a box.
Radio.
Oh, that's radio?
Yeah, radio. This one is the motion picture camera. George Washington 1732 to 1799. So this one is the statue of Washington. George Washington. Dun, ta-da. These are the shoes.
Of the Native American.
Yeah, American Indian, Native American. पहले ये शूज़ थे, अभी ये शूज़ हैं, स्टाइलिश। ये भी स्टाइलिश थे वैसे नहीं?
अभी फैशन बन जाएगा थोड़े दिनों में।
Yeah. वापस घूम के वहीं आ जाएगा।
Look at this wooden shoe. And see, this is the corn and this is a real corn. इतने सालों से संभाल के रखा है इन्होंने।
वो ये पुरानी वो है, सी हथकड़ी।
The Great Historical Clock of America. Wow. And this is Uncle Sam.
ये हमारे फेमस अंकल सैम, उनकी ड्रेस। I don't know कौन थे।
By the mid 19th century, Uncle Sam became the most recognizable personification of the US government rather than an authority figure. He most often was portrayed with affection and emotion.
क्रांतिकारी थे।
Freedom fighter.
This is the ambulance, you know, in 1898, US ambulance. You see?
Yes. Yes.
Locomotive में 1831 ट्रेन है ना 1831 में।
तो अभी हम लोगों ने नेशनल म्यूजियम ऑफ अमेरिकन हिस्ट्री विजिट कर लिया है और अभी हम कर रहे हैं लंच। इसके बाद हम जाने वाले हैं म्यूजियम ऑफ नेचुरल हिस्ट्री। एंड अभी सडनली फिर से बहुत ज़्यादा वेदर गर्म हो गया है, तो कभी बहुत ज़्यादा सनी हो जाता है और फिर एकदम से क्लाउडी हो जाता है, तो ऐसी स्विच ऑन ऑफ चल रहा है वेदर। तो हम लोगों ने कर लिया है ये वेजी quesadilla एंड
Nachos.
अभी हम लोग आ गए हैं नेशनल म्यूजियम ऑफ नेचुरल हिस्ट्री।
Come on, let's go. Giant crystal, right?
Wow.
Oh my gosh, I want this so.
Stone figure. This one. Do not touch.
उधर कुछ म्यूजियम स्टोर है,
हाँ, वो भी दिखाते
इधर
हैं।
कैफे भी है।
इधर भी है म्यूजियम स्टोर for kids. This is the big elephant.
Elephants in danger, you're trying to make it.
Elephants, big bodies. So it's all about elephants. Families. Age and size. They live between 60 to 70 years. Wow.
This one is about mammals. Welcome to the mammal family reunion. Avish, look up. Look up. Panda, panda.
It's a moose. We saw it in वहाँ पे ना
Lion, lion. Oh my god, look at that.
South Africa, right?
Yeah, and he's learning so many
Wild
things.
animals from South Africa.
Look at this, Jiffy.
Giraffe.
Abhi, look up. Look at this. Oh my god. What is this?
Giant pangolin. Pangolin.
Meet the hippo.
Oh, it's a relative of hippo. That's how giraffe drink the water. It's a big bear.
Life and death in changing world, climate evolution, survival, modern human, and this is the two species, one survival. See how many years ago? 59,000 to 48,000 years ago. Netherlands was widespread before modern humans arrived in Europe. And about 40,000 years ago. Short spoken language does not fossilized, and there are few clues about man. Our ancestors began to use complex language to communicate.
He looks real.
This is real. How are you related to other living things? 99.9% genetically similar.
Gorilla se.
Oh, seriously?
Yeah, 98% chimpanzees.
You and gorilla.
और monkey से 93%.
Oh, 75% genetically similar.
वो बनाना
You and chicken.
बनाना ट्री से 60% और चिकन से 75% और माइस से 85%.
Chimpanzee से 98.9.
माइस
And the
चिकन से 75%.
and this.
Banana tree. और this is DNA.
So it means chicken is eating chicken.
ये है family tree ना. This is the family tree. Monkey, gold monkey, apes, gorillas, chimpanzee, and then humans. Just keep changing. Ocean Explorer Theater.
So there is a big
I think they are
screen,
showing the movie or something. A documentary. Oh, big whale.
Look at that skeleton.
Oh, that one blue whale. Whales है ना?
Big mouth,
Tiny.
tiny foods. Balance legs.
Baleen whale. Wow. ये है ना पूरा skeleton. Oh my god.
This is okay.
ये भी है ना पूरा. कितना बड़ा है? Oh, this one है ना? Whale. Jellyfish. That's the jellyfish.
One I saw, it was it's a computer.
See cucumber.
Starfish.
You can sail around the earth without using the ocean is one big body of water.
What is this? Does the ocean ever stop moving?
The polar oceans pure and
Walrus seal, polar bear, bowhead whale, star, jellyfish, grey whale.
And this is National Museum of Natural History Museum store. This is the pen. अभी हम लोग आ गए हैं एयर एंड स्पेस म्यूजियम। तो जितने भी म्यूजियम हमने अभी विजिट किए हैं ये सारे म्यूजियम्स की एंट्री फ्री है, बट एयर एंड स्पेस म्यूजियम में आपको एक स्लॉट बुक कराना पड़ता है, टाइम स्लॉट। अगर आपके पास पास होगा तभी आप एंट्री कर सकते हैं। और ये जितने भी म्यूजियम है, म्यूजियम सैंटियागो में भी है, देयर यू हैव टू पे गुड अमाउंट ऑफ मनी फॉर टिकट्स, बट हियर मोस्टली म्यूजियम्स आर फ्री, बट फॉर एयर एंड स्पेस म्यूजियम यू हैव टू book the time slot. Unfortunately we forgot to book our time slot and today all the passes are sold out and for tomorrow it's also showing not available. और हम लोग वाशिंगटन डीसी में ज़्यादा नहीं रुकने वाले हैं बिकॉज वी आर हियर फॉर अ ईस्ट कोस्ट ट्रिप, सो वी आर गोइंग न्यूयॉर्क एंड आफ्टर दैट आपको पता लगने वाला है हमारे आने वाले व्लॉग्स में। तो ये था हमारा म्यूजियम विद किड्स इन वाशिंगटन डीसी का व्लॉग। अगर आपको हमारा व्लॉग पसंद आया है तो प्लीज़ लाइक, सब्सक्राइब एंड शेयर। जल्दी मिलते हैं आपसे न्यू व्लॉग के साथ। टिल देन बाय बाय, थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग।